Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello, welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News channel with us, Takhmina Salomova
And Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching weekly overview of the currency and commodity markets for the last week.
What is the news from the currency market?
The dollar slid into negative territory against a basket of major currencies on Friday.
And what sparked the bearish mood?
The downtrend was boosted by tensions with North Korea. The greenback gave up earlier gains made after the U.S. jobs report for September showed higher than expected wage growth. The euro-dollar pair touched a low of 1.1670, the weakest level since August 17, before rising back to 1.1732 at the close. Over the week, the euro shed 0.7%. The dollar was hit after reports that North Korea is preparing to test a long-range missile, strengthening fears over a potential conflict in the region. Earlier, the U.S. currency gained ground due to optimistic wage data from the U.S. jobs report for September. The U.S. economy unexpectedly lost 33,000 jobs in September, but this decline was caused mainly by slower hiring as the aftermath of hurricanes Irma and Harvey. The unemployment rate fell to 4.2%, the lowest level since 2001, and average hourly earnings rose by 2.9% from a year ago. The upswing in wage growth bolstered expectations that the Federal Reserve will hike interest rates in December. Meanwhile, the pound sterling dropped to its lowest reading in 4 weeks on Friday as concerns over disagreement over Brexit and the British government pressured the currency. The pound-dollar pair edged down to 1.3065 late Friday. Week on week, the sterling fell by 2.5%, the biggest decline since the week ending on October the 7th of the last year. Against the Swiss franc, the dollar was little changed at 0.9782. On the week, the buck jumped by 1.1% against the franc. That was the second biggest weekly growth among the main dollar pairs. And this is all about the currency movements for now. So what about the mood in the commodity market?
In the commodity market, oil lost in prices.
What pushed the quotes down?
Oil prices plummeted on Friday and in a multi-week bull run amid renewed oversupply worries. Investors' attention shifted to a potential disruption to crude production and refining capacity in the Gulf of Mexico as tropical storm Nate bears down on the region. West Texas Intermediate crude futures sank to $49.29 a barrel at the close. It touched its lowest level since September 13 at $94.10 earlier in the session. For the week, WTI prices slumped by about 5%. At the same time, Brent crude futures tumbled to $55.62 a barrel, the weakest mark in nearly 3 weeks. The Brent contracts ended the week with a loss of near 3.5%. In the meantime, gold prices rebounded from 2-month lows on Friday as fresh concerns over tensions with North Korea hit the US dollar and strengthened safe haven demand for the precious metal. Gold futures for December delivery settled up at $1,274.90 on the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, after falling as low as $1,262.80 earlier. For the week, the precious metal lost $7.30.
Takhmina, many thanks for the commodity markets review. You have watched InstаФорекс weekly review of the currency and commodity markets with us, Takhmina Salomova
And Anna Kasatkina.
Take care and goodbye.
See you soon.